figured I'd give you all a quick little run around of my 1993 Jeep Cherokee Sport. As you can see, it's a beautiful red color. Got it off of Craigslist, about 800 bucks. It's on some 33s, Nanking Mud Stars. They're about as generic as they get, but couldn't really beat the price. 6.5 inch lift. It's got some adjustable uppers and lowers on it. All in all, this was just built to be a comfortable Jeep. Probably not going to go much bigger than this with it. Might cut the fenders, might tuck and fold the rear. I don't know yet. Rough country front bumper, rough country stinger with the D-rings and mounts. Got a winch blade on it. I haven't gotten around to getting the winch yet. Waiting on that payday. As you can see, it is a 4-door. All 4 doors work as they should. Did I say it's stock diffs already?
Yeah.
Okay. Pulled all the carpet out, put some bed liner on the interior, pulled all the plugs, put in some AutoZone floor mats. But as you can see, what we're going to be doing today is putting on a snorkel. Sounds broken. We're going to put on some snorkels, so that way I can utilize those drain holes. Drive this sumbitch up to my neck. As you can see, it's got the 4.0 liter high output motor. Feels like it puts out about 55 horsepower. Sounds like a diesel when you start it up. But it gets the job done. I haven't actually taken it out off road yet, but I can't wait until I get to. One of the funny things about this Jeep though, come on over here and I'll show you. It's actually got a custom transfer case in it. It's like all the other ones. It has 2 high and 4 high. But whenever you pop it all the way down here, it goes into a gear called maul wheel drive. But yeah, that's my Cherokee. I'm going to try to film everything that I do to it and put it on the channel. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.